DRUPA stands for Innovation, Key Technology Trends, and Orientation. Are you ready? Come on! DRUPA! DRUPA is in town again.
Welcome to drupa 2016. My name is Sandra Winter, and I've got with me in the DIP Energy Lounge today Daniel Pierret, CEO of DPLenticular from Ireland. Daniel, welcome to the DIP Energy Lounge. Daniel, what is lenticular printing?
Well, I think it's good to repeat because we notice that many people don't know what lenticular is. Lenticular, in fact, is a special plastic that allows to print a specially prepared file, and at the end we print an image that is not a static image anymore, that is a dynamic image, and that invites the viewer to participate in the story. At the end, the lenticular print allows to create different effects, like the depth effect, and also we can print animation images. And so there's a lot of effects that can be printed on lenticular, and the lenticular plastic is normally a stable plastic. And the most important is that it is printed exactly like another print. It's just the image that is specially prepared. When you look at an image every day, you see thousands of images, and maybe you will look at the image for 1 second. And what you can see here in the Drupa Innovation Park is that when people see a lenticular image, they look like more than 30 seconds to the image. This is showing you the difference between a static image and a lenticular image.
Daniel, what is the focus of your presentation at drupa 2016?
We have a new product for large format inkjet printing. It's the 28 LPI. 28 LPI means 28 lenticles per inch. And the 28 LPI is a three-dimension media, three-dimension sheet that we created last year, and it's the first time we really show it on a trade show, and we even show a comparison between a 3D 20 LPI and a 3D 28 LPI. And lenticular can be printed by different ways. Of course, offset printing, of course, inkjet we just talked about, and it can also be printed on the flexo or offset narrow web. And the second very important product we are showing on our booth here is a new product called Microflex. It's a very thin lenticular roll, about 140 micron, and this is specially designed for the label and security market. A lot of companies are interested in making lenticular labels, and now we can proposing the tool to make it.
Last week in the Drupa Innovation Park, you hosted the third LLPA award ceremony. That's the Lenstar Lenticular Print Award.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the applications?
Well, the Lenstar Lenticular Print Award is created to support, to promote lenticular imaging as a marketing tool. In fact, the Lenstar Print Award can cover all kinds of applications for lenticular, for bus shelters, packaging, book cover, and in-store marketing. All these things can be interesting for lenticular imaging.
What is your perspective of drupa 2016 so far?
What has changed here is that in the past, when people were coming on a booth, they were asking for offset printing, and now the question is, can we print it digital? Which is, of course, a huge difference everybody can feel at drupa this year. This is the big change. So actually, the large format we make, the large format plastic that we extrude in Europe, is for the large format inkjet digital printing. And now there's also people using small size digital printers, and we start getting material and solutions for them as well. So there are still sometimes some issues depending on the machine, like our material is mainly a polyester, and it does not accept very high temperatures, and some machines have a very high temperature oven. So it needs to be analyzed depending of the printer, depending of the technology, but definitely digital is the future. The big problem in lenticular is that whether you print a small quantity or a big quantity, you need to prepare the image. And preparing the image has a cost. And the cost is the same whether you print 50 pieces or 50,000 pieces. So it's also something that we need to work on to find a way how we can help the people to have an image that would be prepared much faster for this kind of requirements. That's something people from Packer are working on, because they definitely want to be working on the next step, and that's very positive.
Daniel, thanks for coming to the DIP Energy Lounge, and I wish you a successful drupa 2016.
Thank you very much. We're very happy. It's working very, very well.
Thank you very much, Daniel.
Thank you.